Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. First time here on this channel, Matt, pretty sure about that. End of Time, what a strong title and cool song as well. So let's go into this one. And we have a clean fretboard, no need for any capo here. And we have one chord progression that goes through the entire song in the same way. I showed you two different styles of handling these chords, so two different strumming patterns. We'll come to that. First, the 4 chords needed for a song. So we're going to start with E. It goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, open E. Next chord is A minor. What you do here is to just move the same grip one string down. So you land at this position. That is A minor. So it goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Then a very easy transition to C. You just take the second fret G string and put it on the third A. Everything else is the same. That gives us C. And that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord is B, and I play 2 bars with that chord. Alright? So you have to have 1 bar at least. You place your index finger on the second fret and you push down 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this. And then you have the 4th fret D string, 4th G, and 4th B. That is the chord, and if you think that is too much with all the fingers at that same area pretty much, then you can do in the same way as I do. I play a second bar in front of it. So I play with my ring finger the 4th D, G, and B, and try to bar that as well. And yeah, when it comes to strumming then, I try to stay in the mid area here, mid strings, and I try to avoid the last E string. Okay, so it's up to you. You can play like this, then you can go all the way down and get the E string as well. Sounds nice. So yeah, 2 ways of handling that chord. Let's go into the strumming, and we'll start with the easier one first. Okay, so if you go to the first E chord, 1 round goes down, down, clap, down. That is 1 round, so down, down, clap, down. And you're going to play 2 of these per chord in the same way through the entire song. So E2, A minor 2, C2, B2, like this. Okay, that is one way to handle it. The second one is to play down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. So down, clap, and then comes down, up, down. And then clap down. So if you choose to go with that strumming, you're going to play 1 of these per chord. Same chord progression, of course, and it goes. And there you have it, guys. End of Time with Mad. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.